ma'am, sir. I was read your advertisement, which was posted at the bulletin board of the municipality of Lipa, that you are in need of an intruder, and I wish to apply for the said position. I am Wilma Villacruel, 18 years old, and I'm good in English communication. I finished my ladder education program in Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, accredited by TESDA at Lipa City Public College. I undergo my 400 hours of training while I was studying. My first 200 hours of on-the-job training was at RC Multi-Business Corporation at Ra Sulaiman Street, Lipa City, as PC operator. During my training, I do a lot of office work, such as encoded documents, perform calculation using MS Excel, made presentation using MS PowerPoint, and printed documents. The next 200 hours of training was in RK School A Computer Shop at Torres Street, Lipa City, as computer hardware services. I assembled computer and installed programs. I have been a part-time teacher of computer programming at Lipa City Public College. If my qualification has convinced you of my ability to take on the job, I should welcome the opportunity to talk with you so that you may judge my personal qualification further. You can reach me at my telephone number written at my resume. Thanks.